Hey guys, for this video, we are going to check out Holy Grail of Tamiya, Tiger Zap Limited Edition. Now, let's first check out the box. So on the side, you can see super easy chassis and it's all written in Japanese letters or language. Now, unlike with the Tamiya kits nowadays, you can see all the parts, what's inside the box. But for this one, this is the old school box. You can only see some Japanese letters here, and then 130 type motor and free battery. Okay, let's check out what's inside. We have cowl, so it's color yellow, right? And it also has the motor catch and the motor cover, the switch, okay, and rollers and some ball bearing. Okay, now let's check out the tires. This is I believe this is a large size tires and it's narrow wide. And then let's check out the tires. Okay, this will be like a slick permitting. This is slick tires. Okay, so there we go. Okay, and next, the chassis itself is color black. Okay, as you can see, it's there we go. Okay, and then we also have the rear portion, sorry for that one. Okay, and then now this pack includes a 351 gear ratio, a Tamiya grease, propeller shaft, some wheel shaft, and then the motor. Motor is color blue. I'm not pretty sure what's this, what type of motor this is, but in the box it says that it's a 130 type motor. I'll put it in the description box. I'll ask around what kind of motor is this, if it is SMC or a Mabushi one. Okay, and then what else? You also have the battery terminal here, some rollers, screws, nuts, and everything. Okay, next we have the manual. As you can see, it's kind of, since it's very old, you can see some yellowish areas in the manual. Okay, and then last but not least, the decals to make your car look awesome. It's so nice to see some vintage cars nowadays, since this is our pride and joy way back 2000s or 90s. During my high school days, these are the kits that we raced. If you want to see more vintage Tamiya kits, visit Tamiya Underground. They are located at 2nd floor, Wilcon Center, Visayas Avenue, Quezon City. That's it for our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And follow me for more Tamiya content.